HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids! What gives you energy and is one of the yummiest fruits ever? A banana! Let's draw 3 bananas. Let's give this a nice dark outline. Time for some magic! Let's start painting. A bright yellow color for the bananas. Leave some space in all the bananas. We'll get to that soon. Did you know that monkeys love to eat bananas? Good! Nice and neat. Now, wouldn't it be awesome to use light yellow for the spaces we left? Blend both the colors well. A little touch-up. We're almost there. Looking good! Done with the bananas. Let's use olive green for the stem of the banana. Color the tips of the banana with an olive green too. Wow! This is making me hungry. Good thing we're done. Our bananas are now ready.